Hi everyone, this is Christine, and in this video I'll show you how to add the Freeko app on your Wix website. Now first go Wix app. Open the first page, overview, and click here on add to site. Now if you have multiple websites on Wix, it's gonna ask you first on which you'd like to add it. Then select the preferred website. And here it's gonna ask you again to confirm that you want to add the Freeko app on your website. And once you confirm, you will see the Freeko app here on the bottom right corner. Double click on that and you go to the settings. Click on create account. Enter your name, your email, choose a password, click create. Once you see that your registration is successful, go back to settings over here and enter the phone number that you want to connect with Freeko, that you want your website visitors to contact you on. And click outside somewhere to save it. And once you're done with all the settings, don't forget to click Publish to make Freeko visible on your website. And pretty much that's it. Enjoy!